Most people who are watching this video are not actually lazy. They are just exhausted. Exhausted from comparing themselves with others. Exhausted from overthinking. Exhausted from trying to motivate themselves every single day. And deep inside, they already know something is wrong. Because when a person truly has direction, they don't need constant motivation. A man with direction wakes up differently, moves differently, speaks differently, walks differently. But today, millions of people wake up with no real purpose. They open their phones, scroll for an hour, watch other people succeed, feel guilty, promise themselves they'll change tomorrow, and then repeat the same cycle again. Not because they are lazy, but their life has no direction. And in this video, I want to explain why that happens, how modern life is making you feel mentally stuck, and how you can finally break out of it. Because this feeling, this constant confusion and lack of energy, it's not random. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Human beings can work extremely hard when they know why they are suffering. A man can wake up at 4 a.m., work for 14 hours, handle pressure, face rejection, and even sacrifice comfort if he knows where he is going. But when the mind has no destination, even the small tasks feel heavy. That's why some people can spend 8 hours gaming without feeling exhausted, but 20 minutes of studying can make them feel very tired. The issue is not energy, the issue is emotional connection with the task. Your brain asks, why am I doing this? And when there is no meaningful answer, discipline disappears. That's why many people misunderstand laziness. Real laziness is rare. Most people are actually mentally distracted, emotionally disconnected, overstimulated, and directionless. And modern life is making this even worse every single day. Think about it. Earlier, people had fewer distractions. Today, your attention is under attack 24/7. Short videos, notifications, entertainment, algorithm, endless scrolling. Your brain never rests anymore. And slowly your mind becomes addicted to stimulation instead of progress. And that's why sitting quietly and working on your future goals feels boring. Not that it is actually boring, not because your dreams are boring, but because your brain has been trained to crave for instant dopamine. And here's the dangerous part. The more directionless your life becomes, the more distractions control you. Because distraction simply feels comforting. Temporary pleasure helps people escape uncomfortable truths. Truths like, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I don't feel proud of myself. I keep wasting my potential. Instead of fixing the problem, people numb themselves. And this is becoming the biggest silent crisis for people in their 20s. A generation full of talent but addicted to escaping realities. And you know what's sad? Many people today are constantly busy but internally lost. And there's a huge difference between movement and direction. Being busy does not mean you're growing in life. Some people are running every day, but they are running in circles. And after years passed, they realize. But after years pass, they realize that I moved a lot, but I didn't actually grow. That realization hurts. Because deep down, every human being wants meaning. Not just entertainment, not just comfort, meaning. That's why people with difficult lives but strong purpose feel more alive. That's why people with difficult lives but strong purpose often feels more alive than people with comfortable lives but no purpose. Let's talk about another truth that nobody mentions. A lot of people don't have direction because they spend too much time consuming and not creating. They consume videos, opinions, podcasts, reels, trends, motivation, but they rarely sit down with themselves and ask, what do I really want? Not what society wants, not what Instagram wants, not what relatives want. What do you want? That question scares people. Because once you answer honestly, you become responsible for your own life. And responsibility is heavy. That's why many people stay distracted because confusion feels safer than commitment. Let me tell you something powerful. You do not become confident by watching confident videos. You become confident by building evidence. Evidence that you can trust yourself. Every time you wake up on time, finish difficult work, learn a skill, improve your health, keep promises to yourself. Your brain slowly says, maybe I'm capable. And that is where real confidence begins. Not in motivation, not in affirmations, but in action. Always in action. Another reason people feel directionless today is because they are trying to skip the boring phase. Everyone wants fast success now. Fast transformation, fast money, fast results. But life doesn't work like social media. Real growth is repetitive, quiet, uncomfortable, and honestly, sometimes boring. But that boring consistency is exactly what changed lives. The gym looked boring before transformation. The study looked boring before success. Discipline looks boring before freedom. People want the reward without respecting the process, and that mindset keeps them stuck for years. Now, listen carefully to this line. The pain of discipline weighs grams, but the pain of regrets weighs tons. One hurts temporarily, the other one haunts you for years. And many people these days are developing silent regrets because they know they are capable of doing more. They are simply wasting their time. They know they keep delaying their real life. They continue anyway. Why? Because direction requires clarity and clarity requires honesty. You must honestly look at your current habits and ask, is this version of me leading me anywhere meaningful? That question can change your life. And here's the good news, you do not need to figure out your entire future today. Most people think direction means having a perfect 10-year plan. No, direction simply means having a reason to wake up and improve. That's it. Maybe your direction right now is getting fit, improving communication, building confidence, learning skills, fixing your mindset, becoming financially stable. Start there. Directions have a funny way of working out. Directions become clearer while moving, not while overthinking. And please understand this deeply. Nobody is coming to save you. Not motivation, not luck, not perfect timing. At some point, every man reaches a moment where he must decide, will I continue keeping my potential or start building myself? Because your future is being shaped by daily habits right now, not your intentions, habits. And the scary thing about wasted years is they don't feel wasted while you're wasting them. The realization usually comes later. If you have been calling yourself lazy lately, maybe stop insulting yourself for a moment. Maybe you're not lazy. Maybe you have simply been living without direction, without vision, without structure, without purpose. And once the person finds purpose, everything changes. Focus changes, confidence changes, life changes. Your life changes the moment your mind finds a reason strong enough to move. Because people are not destroyed by hard work, they are destroyed by living a life without purpose. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's a goodbye for now. See you around with another personal development video. Until then,